Welcome to the Company Settings module tutorial. This module is where you set up and manage all the foundational configurations for your organization's payroll and attendance. From company details to salary components, this is your control center for customizing Entera to fit your needs. Let's get started. Accessing Company Settings. To access the company settings, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Company Settings from the drop-down menu. Note that this option is visible only to HR, admin, and super admin roles. Once inside the Company Settings module, you'll notice various tabs on the left-hand menu. Let's walk through each one step by step. Employee Settings. Now let's go to Employee Settings. Employee Settings enable you to make employee-specific settings. You can give your employees an employee code which will be used as an identity number in the software. You can also choose to give access to the employee directory which has the information of all employees of the company. You can enable or disable permission to add their daily progress report while checking out. Attendance Settings module. Now, on to attendance settings. First, decide how employees will mark their attendance. Either the admin can handle this, or employees can do it themselves. You can also choose the devices allowed for attendance marking, whether it's a laptop, mobile, or both. For enhanced security, Entera Payroll also allows attendance to be marked via the company's static IP. Moving to working shifts, you can set up multiple shifts depending on your company's operations. While Entera provides one default shift, it can easily be customized. Next is weekly holidays. Here, you can select your company's standard weekly holiday, which will be displayed on the calendar in the dashboard. Additionally, you can define how often employees can regularize their attendance. Attendance regularization allows employees to correct inaccuracies in their attendance entries, ensuring accurate payroll. Leave settings. Let's head to leave settings. In this section, you can configure your company's leave policy. Select the calendar you prefer, whether it's the financial year that is April to March or the calendar year that is January to December. You can also decide on the frequency of leave allocation. It can be quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, and specify the number of paid and sick leaves. Optionally, you can allow unclaimed leaves to be carried forward to the next year. Salary settings. Next up is salary settings. Here, you'll activate the salary components relevant to your company. This includes enabling deductions like TDS, ISI, and EPF. Entera provides 3 default earnings components, but you can add more using the Add Earning button. Payroll module. The payroll module handles the process of calculating and distributing employee wages, including tax deductions. In this module, you'll set a date each month to log the payroll. If adjustments are needed, you can reset to default with the click of a button. Manage users. Finally, we have the Manage Users section. Here, you can view a list of active and archived employees. You can filter active users by name, role, and login status. Additionally, you can add new employees using the New Employee button. That was all about Company Settings module.